Unlock essential government benefits by mastering the simple process of obtaining your income certificate in Chhattisgarh. This vital document serves as proof of your financial standing, opening doors to numerous schemes and subsidies. Let's break down exactly how you can get yours, step by step. First, gather your essential documents. You'll typically need a copy of your Aadhaar card for identity verification, proof of address such as a ration card or voter ID, and a recent passport-sized photograph. Crucially, you'll need proof of income. This could be salary slips if you're employed, bank statements showing your income, or a declaration from your employer if self-employed. Now, let's talk about the application process. While some services are moving online, the traditional route often involves visiting your local Tehsildar office or the designated Common Service Center, often referred to as a CSC. If an online portal is available in your district, you can also apply there. At the office, you'll be given an application form. Fill this out accurately and attach all your supporting documents. If applying online, you'll need to upload scanned copies of these documents. Be sure to provide clear and readable scans. Once submitted, the application will be reviewed. This might involve verification of your income source. The processing time can vary, but generally, you can expect your income certificate within a few working days to a couple of weeks. And voila! You'll receive your official income certificate, ready to be used for all your government scheme applications. Having this document readily available simplifies access to crucial support and benefits. Don't delay. Get your income certificate today.